Wheeling the spreader. Wheeling the spreader. Get on the spreader. Brace yourself.
Brighton town where you find me, I'm on the high street, I got the best flow, coming all rhymey. I got the high grade and I spit grimy. See me on iTunes and they just buy me, so I move right to you, can't get by me. I got a whole album and it's all by me. I roll with the biro, Ryan and the baby. Now it's all hard work, now it's all lively. Back in the day when I gave mum back chat, she would try to tell a man, now I do that if a man I try act bad. Gus got gun back, now he's a bad man. Didn't go Vegas or play blackjack, beat up dealers. Rob man's Afghan, now man's got blue cheese and dank cans. Right boss like Adam Frank, I get live on a hype occasion. One fan from a show try to snidey statement, trying to put Wiz down, trying to diss Jamaican. So I shag man's mum for the violation. Like, why you trying to fight with Statham, trying to war with four? You're getting drawn in payments. And the man I wanna chat that their thoughts amazing, but they can't pour thoughts when they draw a statement on track. Me, I don't rhyme when I rap. Me, I just grind when I rhyme. Puff dank in a flat toast, anchor on that. If I got a hankering, jamming on that. Man's overly on it, I got the door in my wallet. And when I pull in my pocket, I'm seeing permanent profit. It's like the man they wanna chat that they can pony. I got it, let it be bonny with a shorty for a kick of an obby. I know a couple man that rather really do this in property. But if everybody do it, tell me where did the body be? Trying to get some money, trying to get into property. Everybody wanna stone me cause I'm doing it cockily. I motherfucking hate slackers. I don't roll with no at the backers. No, I don't roll with no lazy man. Cause that makes man flip like acrobatics. Like, oh my, surely these guys want test like I won't try act dramatic. Hold on the roll and I'll smash the practice, then turn up late. Track the action, sleep good with the limp pass down for acting. And the old show look like a backward pattern. And the old show ring, fans are clapping, but the girls embarrassed to try clap the acting. Like, nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to spray, but nothing comes out when they loading clips. They just talking shit, but still man wanna chat like the guns are blaze. I got great form, I'm in great form, and I'm grateful for that withdrawal. I've been on tour, I ain't been on telly, then I fuck off home like I piss off Kelly, but man went from Cochin to Pingu to blotting to Hindus, then back to the igloos. I'm cold. Out here, man, I just big news. That's why the galley one lick on semis. I come back to the flow like I pissed already. I'm getting back from a show. Pissed already, you know I'm bad with a bone in my bitch's belly. I got a bag from a shank and a ghetto lady, you know. You one of them would've and could've, man. I couldn't afford a bag of the Buddha, man. Me, I'm a jet lacking in traffic, then go into camp for a tan on the boulevard. You went loud, now you're talking all loud, and you're telling man loud off the western wild out. Even though how you man think that's allowed, I gotta tell you man now, I don't know what that's about. Coming back from Thailand with dreadlocks, like a skin condition, a vague notion of how to throw some sort of kick does not qualify you as a fucking therapist, you eggy brits. Yeah? On the real though, I don't know nothing about what's his face, but what's his face knows something about Wizzy. I grew up on Marley and Macy and Lizzie, and Roots and Grum, Confiddy and Dizzy. Chilling with Fizzy and Busy and Gizzy. Rode with Streets and Leagues and Billy. Shot food with Selim and Hearts, now Killian. Catches man on the cam, that's brilliant progress. Got my own test, I don't need your ones, who's get drawn on. You man are falling asleep with a porn on. Me, I'm on stage trying to keep my own thoughts on, simple as that. I get them a sprinkler swag, now they wanna sink in the lap, that ain't simple as that. And I ain't got a tip for a slack, I ain't trying to dip in the hag, let's go now. Brighton town where you find me, I'm on the high street, I got the best flow coming all rhymey. I got the high grade, I spit grimy. See me on iTunes, they just buy me. I move right so you can't get by me. I got a whole album, it's all by me. I roll with the biro, Ryan and the baby. Now it's all hard work, now it's all Brighton town where you find me. I'm on the high street, I got the best flow coming all rhymey. I got the high grade, I spit grimy. See me on iTunes, they just buy me. I move right so you can't get by me. I got a whole album, it's all by me. I roll with the biro, Ryan and the baby. Now it's all hard work, now it's all lively.
I think we gave them one.
Leonard.